Alright, well thanks for joining me again. I just wanted to kind of pick up where I left off on the last video about how to do count markups. And on this one, we're going to talk about how to take those markups that we've added to our plan set and export them quickly into an Excel spreadsheet, and then how to set up filters in that spreadsheet to be able to extract the data that you're looking for when you're trying to do a quantity takeoff on window coverings. So we're just going to go ahead and open up the drop down menu here at the bottom, and where you see filter list, there's a you have the ability to generate a summary here. You just left click that, and what you want to do is generate a CSV summary, and what that's going to do is it's going to compile every single markup that you've added to this document, including all of the count markups that you've added. And so we're just going to go ahead and say OK to that, and you'll see what happens here in just a moment. I'll drag it over. So basically what we've done is we have created it's imported all of that information into an Excel format. So we don't really need, there are certain things we don't need here, like color. So we can go ahead and delete this column. We want to definitely keep the label. We want to keep the count. We don't need to keep the author, so we'll delete that. But basically, subject, page, label, comments, count, and label we're going to keep. And then we're going to go ahead and grab these four across the top. We're going to right click. We're going to come down to filter, and we're going to do filter by selected cells value. And you'll see now it's given us the ability to toggle these on and off. So for example, if I wanted to just look at how many count measurements I have, I can go count measurement. Let's expand this a little bit so we can see where it's at. We can see the description. These correspond to all of my window labels and door labels. And in some cases I've labeled storefront, which is going to be like common area windows. I've labeled storefronts here as well. So one of the ways that I like to filter these is by page, by elevation page. So you can select all or deselect all, and you can just basically start with your first elevation page. So page A513, let's do a split screen here, see if I can share both of these at the same time. Let's try to split this up as best as possible. I don't know what I did here, but I did something wrong. I want it to be full screen, as full as possible. Alright, this is A404, but let's go to 513. Alright, so all of these markups that you're seeing here appear on this page under Building 1 Elevations. So I have 186 window coverings. I can tell that just right there at a glance. And I can quickly grab these. I can copy. I can go over here to my blank page. I can paste those in, and then I can sort these any way I want. I could use column H. I can sort them A to Z. You know, whatever is most helpful for how we're organizing these. And then I can transfer this data right here straight over to a window matrix where I already have all of the individual sizes of each of these window types pre-populated. So basically all I'm doing is just grabbing that count data straight from Bluebeam, into this Excel format, and I'm copying and pasting it into a window matrix by elevation page, and that's going to give me a 100% accurate count, where I'm not accidentally transposing numbers because I'm trying to look at it from one place and then type it in another place. This way it's really almost guaranteed that my count is going to be 100% accurate. So reach out if you have any questions, and I hope you enjoy the content. Thanks.